'cause I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a ton of cleaning motivation. I've got so much going on. We have to start off by cleaning the kitchen area, decluttering this area. I feel like our countertops are totally cluttered full of stuff. I've got some dishes to do. I want to go downstairs and I want to vacuum out the entire basement and wash those floors down there because they really need a good wash. I definitely want to get to the main bathroom up here. That needs to be vacuumed. It needs to be wiped down. I feel like there's so much dust particles that have accumulated recently all over the house. The baseboards really need to be cleaned. I don't know if I can get to the baseboards today. I have a lot of high hopes, but I do think I can definitely get to the baseboards in the bathroom and around the kitchen area. I am going through a lot of decluttering right now. I am obviously nesting. Baby is going to be here in about 11 weeks, maybe a little bit earlier. So I feel like I have this crazy need to purge everything. And you guys have seen in one of my videos, I decluttered my laundry room and the downstairs bathroom. I am not going to be decluttering today just because I really don't have the time for it. When I start decluttering, I don't want to leave until I am done with the project. And I just don't have that many hours today or the next 2 or 3 days. That is a project that I want to start only when I really have the time for it. So come with me guys today and clean with me. I am super excited. It is a beautiful and sunny day outside. I feel so motivated. When that sunshine hits your skin, it just feels so amazing.
Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know, what if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
As always, there is so much tidying up to do in the kitchen. There's just always things that are left out on the counter that need to be put away. Something needs to be restocked and replenished, like the paper towels. There's other things that need to be put away, like these candles. I'm not using them currently, so I do want to put them away. I also have some puppy pads down, which you'll see in a second, that are on the carpet. I have water on those puppy pads. I don't want my hardwood floors to get ruined, so I use the puppy pads to keep water away from my hardwood floors, and it does a really great great job. With my dog being a little bit sicker, right now she can't really get down the stairs to the basement where we always kept all of her food. I have to make way basically with keeping it up here. Right now I'm going to take those water bowls, I'm going to go ahead and wash everything and put everything away.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me.
With my house being so small, we really lack a lot of storage space. We don't have an actual pantry upstairs, so we definitely use the oven, the stove for storage. And I know most people don't use that for storage. We just don't have anywhere else to put pots and pans. So I mean, it is a downfall that when we do need to use the stove or the oven, we have to take everything out and put everything on the countertops in order to use the stove, which, you know, obviously I don't like, but we have no other option or solution because we just don't have the space.
We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
I have recently been using my dishwasher a lot more, so I've let things pile up into the sink. Normally I actually really don't use the dishwasher. I typically kind of wash as I go or wash every day and make sure the sink is empty. You guys, I stacked up on diapers at Target. They had such a great deal about a week ago where if you spent $100 you got a $30 gift card, and I spent $200 and I was able to get $60 back to buy even more diapers. I'm going to save the gift cards for now and use them in the coming future. Last night my kids took baths, and normally after bath time I definitely clean up and make sure that the bathroom is tidy. I had no time. We had a lot going on and I just couldn't get to everything, so I left everything all over the countertops, and it definitely needs to be cleaned today. As you can see, everything needs to be put away. I did get a few new products in the mail yesterday, like soaps and lotions and things like that I threw on the windowsill. That needs to be put away and organized as well. I will say that I feel like our house is always extremely dusty, and I have been saying that I want to buy air purifiers for my house. I have just been really holding off until we buy a new house so that way I can get all matching air purifiers, or maybe getting an air purifier system in our HVAC. So right now I just need to vacuum that fan, and I'm going to go ahead and vacuum all of the baseboards. I cannot believe how much dust has accumulated. The bathrooms and the house and everything and the baseboards were cleaned not too long ago, but there's just a thick layer all over the baseboards. I also have to get the vents clean in the entire house. Now, our house is small and we don't have many vents, but I do want to do a full house declutter. I do want to finish that before I get the vents cleaned, and I definitely want to wash down all of the walls, all of the fixtures and everything before the vents get cleaned. That way when the vents are cleaned, I know that the house is clean and fresh before baby comes.
Drown yourself in the neon. You came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move on, but one night in the shadows can't ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while.
In both bathrooms, we have open shelving, and I love open shelving. I love the way it looks when everything is organized. However, I feel like you can't really use it for a good storage solution because everything is exposed. So you don't want to use it as storage. You just want to use it as like a decorative storage. And so I have 3 containers. The top container is for toilet paper. The middle container, this wire one, is for towels, and the bottom container is for baby wipes. So we really keep these shelves up here very empty so that the house always looks presentable.
Close your eyes, I'm by your side, I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on all the strangers' doors. So are you sure that it's over? When you close your eyes, I'm by your side, babe. When you close your eyes, I'm on your mind, babe. You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over.
For the upstairs bathroom, I just basically roll up the towels and put them into this wire container. Now these towels must be like 14 years old. I got these towels when we first got our house, right when we graduated, or right when I graduated college. We bought a house and we have had these towels ever since, and they have held up so good. I honest to God feel like they don't make towels like this anymore. I've gotten towels afterwards and I have just not been a fan of them. And like I said, these towels have been around forever, and these have been such great towels. They hold up so well. Definitely will be bringing these to the next house.
Drown yourself in the smoke, babe. You came to this place to hide away for a while, but we both know that when it gets late, one call away and then you are spending the night. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you
So every so often I go through and I hand wash all of my floors, and I used to actually do this religiously. I really never used a mop at our old house, because I feel like you get such a better clean when you are unfortunately down on hands and knees and scrubbing every single little spot of the floor. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm going to do that today for the basement. I'm going to kind of wipe through the baseboards, and I feel like the floors need a very, very good scrub. I know it's a lot of work, but it is the most rewarding way, in my opinion, to clean the floors. It is just the best way that works for us in our house. I don't always do it now, especially that I'm pregnant, but because I am nesting and I really want to make sure that the house is getting a proper clean, I'm definitely going to be doing it.
Close your eyes, I'm by your side. I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on all the strangers' doors. So are you sure that it's over? When you close your eyes, I'm by your side, babe.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, got a ton of cleaning motivation, and I would love for you guys to check out my channel, check out some other videos. I've got other great cleaning motivation videos on there, as well as some day in the life videos. And also, don't forget to leave a comment, let me know how you guys are doing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well.